Today, we will be cooking this fish. This is a list of ingredients that you will need. This is a small sea perch. You can also use the same recipe for other fishes like POMFRET or barramundi. We start by descaling the fish. Next, we remove the guts from the fish. Add a pinch of salt and rub it on the fish. Add some pepper. Put 2 slices of ginger inside the fish and the other ingredients around the fish. To make the gravy, we add sugar and soya sauce into a small bowl. Heat up the oil to fry some garlic to light brown. While the oil is hot, pour the oil and garlic into the bowl with sugar and soya sauce. This will dissolve the sugar. Steam the fish for 10 minutes. Add the gravy and steam for another 5 minutes.